All right, so this is chapter 5.1, addition and subtraction of integers. And we're going to be using the chip model today to figure out our solutions to our problems. So for a little refresher, an integer is a number, and I'm just going to make a little number line to kind of show that it's either negative or positive. So I have -1, 2, -3, -4. Oh, sorry, these are positives. And then these are negatives over here. So we know that both 1, positive 1, and -1 are both 1 space away from 0. And so on and so forth as the numbers line up. This is a little bit of a number line, and it's good with integers, but our integers can be both negative and positive numbers or 0. So just keep that in mind as we go through this activity. So the baseline for this activity is we're trying to figure out the answer to problems such as -2 plus 5 equals what? And so we have both a negative number in this problem and a positive number. So we're going to be using the chip model to figure out problems like this. So in the chip model, we have like a circle here. And we have little counters in the circle. And the little counters, the negative symbol like this one is going to represent negative numbers. And this symbol, the positive symbol, is going to equal positive numbers. So in this problem, -2 plus 5. I'm going to switch my pins over here. I have 2 negative symbols. All right, so 2 negatives because -2, and I have 5 positive symbols. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know that a negative plus a positive, and I'm sorry, my plus and my positive look a little similar, equals, it neutralizes it. So when I have a negative and a positive together, like here, I can circle these because they cancel each other out. And same thing here, these cancel each other out. So now what I have is 3 positives left. So we now know that the -2 plus 5 equals 3. Now obviously you could do this in the line model, but we're going to do this in the chip model. So now we can move on to larger numbers. So let's say we have -11 minus -2. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and draw it in my negatives. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, and then I have -2. And so what this problem is saying is -11 subtracting, so taking away -2 is what? So we're trying to figure that out. So you can see here that I have all my negatives drawn out, and I have 11 plus 2. So this problem can actually be translated into 11 plus 2. Oh, sorry about that. All right, so -11 minus -2. So taking it more away. All right, so -11 plus 2. So we come out with -13 spaces in our thing. All right, nothing's neutralized because we didn't have any positives. So let's do one more with the chip model. Draw a little circle. We're going to have -7 plus 10. And we're trying to figure out what this is. Okay, so I'm going to draw my -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I have my positive 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so now we can start neutralizing. So circle. This is just how I like to do it. You can do it a different way. You do not have to circle. It's just very visual for me. So now what I have left over is 3 x's that I did not circle. So let me actually change my marker, sorry about that. So I know that negative 7 plus 10 equals positive 3. And we don't have to write the positive in there, but it's kind of implied with the 3. But that is how you use the chip model. Basically, for every positive and negative, it neutralizes the number. So if I have 2 negatives, I know that this is going to be negative. And if I have this, it's going to be neutral. And if I have 2 positive, it is going to be positive. All right, thanks for watching.